Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1 and our today's topic is one word answer. Our today's topic is one word answer, and today is our lecture number 9 and SW number 7. Lecture number 9 and SW number 7. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn 7 one word answer. In our previous class, we have learned 7 one word answer from 1 to 7, and today we will learn from 8 to 14. So, my dear students, let's start at first. Look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 7 one word question and answer. Okay, my dear students, our 8 number question number 8, how many verses are there in Surah Fatiha? How many verses are there in Surah Fatiha? What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, you know that there are 7 verses in Surah Fatiha. In this regard, answer will be 7. Answer will be 7. Now, question number 9, my dear students, which is first surah in the Holy Quran? Which is first surah in the Holy Quran? Yes, my dear students, you know that Surah Fatiha is the first surah in the Holy Quran. In this regard, our answer will be Surah Fatiha. So, answer will be Surah Fatiha. Now, my dear students, question number 10, from which language the word Iman comes? From which language the word Iman comes? Yes, my dear students, you know that Iman, the word Iman is an Arabic word. In this regard, answer will be Arabic. Our answer will be Arabic. Now, question number 11, my dear students, who has created everything? Who has created everything? Answer, what will be the answer? Yes, answer will be Almighty Allah. Answer will be Almighty Allah, because you know that Allah has created everything. Allah has created man, jinn, Allah has created this beautiful world. Allah has created everything in this world. In this regard, answer will be Almighty Allah. Now, my dear students, question number 12, from which language the word salam comes? From which language the word salam comes? My dear students, you know that salam is an Arabic word. In this regard, the answer will be Arabic. Answer will be Arabic. That means from the Arabic language, salam comes. In this regard, our answer will be Arabic. Now, my dear students, question number 13, Suratul Salat is name of which surah? Suratul Salat is name of which surah? Yes, my dear students, you know that the another name of Surah Fatiha is Suratul Salat. In this regard, our answer will be Surah Fatiha. Surah Fatiha is also called Suratul Salat. In this regard, answer will be Surah Fatiha. Now, my dear students, question number 14, and this is our last number question. Last number one word answer. Now, question number 14, what is the meaning of Razzaq? What is the meaning of Razzaq? You know that, my dear students, Razzaq is an Arabic word. There is a meaning, and the meaning is food provider. So, answer will be food provider. What is the meaning of Razzaq? Razzaq means food provider. In this regard, answer will be food provider. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, we have learned today 7 one word answer. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And my dear students, you must submit your SW copy, and you will make your SW copy at your home. And my dear students, you know that today is our SW number 7, and you will make SW at your home. One word answer from 8 to 12. From 8 to 12. From 8 to 12, only Sorry, my dear student. Only answer. My dear students, you will make SW at your home. One word answer from 8 to 12. Only answer from 8 to 12. Only answer. You will write only answer at your home. My dear students, that's all for today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.